The James Webb Space Telescope is messing everything up. Out of nowhere, we understand that we might need to revise all the course readings about the start of the universe. Kaku has simply declared that James Webb has found what's toward the finish of the recognizable universe, so we should get further into this galactic stunner. The progressive James Webb Telescope currently lights up the universe's cutoff. It investigates a tremendous jungle gym of stars, worlds, and perplexing miracles. Envision looking into the ageless vault where old worlds murmur the stories of the universe's starting point. Affix your safety belts as we start this excursion into space. We will disclose the mysteries of the universe's definitive skyline. The James Webb Telescope has recognized 6 universes that exist a portion of a billion years later the huge explosion. JWST is a stunning innovation by NASA that caught these baffling puzzles of the universe. They bring us and we answer their call. Go with us on this grandiose disclosure as the James Webb Telescope modifies the stories of the universe. We should uncover what lies past our creative mind. Stay tuned as we investigate the finish of the discernible universe that limits space and time. The journey for inestimable understanding has been humankind's pursuit all through its development. Individuals have consistently considered the vast ranges of the universe with speculations about space and the universe being matters of discussion. Numerous ages of specialists and trailblazers chased after what's past our planet. Old social orders, with no innovation, utilized straightforward strategies to examine the night sky and made awesome anecdotes about gods and heavenly wonders. They noticed the sky, astonished by the divine examples and reasonable ties between the earth and what lies above. Progressive developments like the telescope improved how humankind might interpret the universe over the long haul. The renowned Italian researcher Galileo Nerve changed our perspective on the universe by demonstrating that divine bodies could move around other than Earth. With ensuing advances, the Hubble Space Telescope began to screen the sky by taking dazzling photographs of far-off cosmic systems and their points of view. Its focal points showed how stars form universes, impact, and dark openings work. Each picture expanded the longing to find enormous secrets. As new enormous puzzles arose, innovation progressed to answer them. Dull matter and energy rose up out of enormous dimness, uncovering the universe's parts. The huge explosions' delayed repercussion began to show up in the enormous scenery, uncovering new secrets. In this progressive season of disclosure, the James Webb Space Telescope enlightens the universe. The valiant quest for infinite information motivates, and the well-known physicist and futurist Kaku is a key player in this journey. His unquenchable interest drives us to investigate apparent space. We can now see antiquated systems and extreme skylines on account of his thought. This astounding, inestimable journey goes on as innovation advances, and we understand our objective goes past telescopes. The evening sky astounds us, encouraging us to turn upward. Regardless of the vagueness, the universe moves us to think beyond practical boundaries, look for replies, and appreciate earthbound presence. Before long, we'll have the option to look into the profundities of the obscure. Kaku has highlighted the James Webb Telescope's obscure universe. This strong instrument can rise above time, investigate antiquated worlds, change astronomical stories, and watch the universe develop with us. The James Webb Telescope divulged the radiant universe by seeing infrared light instead of noticeable light. It's like having inestimable glasses that let us see further than ordinary. JWST is a telescope and a time machine. It can distinguish light that has traversed the universe for billions of years, permitting us to study the universe's starting points. Light from old heavenly bodies and systems is found by the telescope. JWST is an interstellar pioneer and telescope. It circles the Sun at L2, the second Lagrange point. This spot gives an unmistakable perspective on the universe without Earth's environment. JWST goes related to Earth, keeping up with alignment as it looks into space. However, what might be said about the intensity of the Sun? The savvy Sun safeguard is utilized. There's a tennis court-sized sunlight-based cover with 5 layers acting as a vast umbrella. This obstruction shields JWST from the Sun's solid radiation, permitting it to cool to extremely low temperatures. This coolness is important because JWST's infrared finders are adequately delicate to identify infinite signals even in the wake of warming. JWST's infrared capacities address a defining moment. It uncovers privileged insights stowed away by the enormous environment, gets through dust fogs obstructing apparent light, and shows the surprising brightness of far-off illuminating presences and material plates. Utilizing infrared vision, JWST can look at youthful stars, cloud focuses, and planetary environments past our nearby planet group. This infinite wonder occurred through private assurance and global participation. NASA, CSA, and ESA teamed up on JWST. Designers, researchers, and visionaries continued to make a telescope that is both a logical instrument and an image of human unity. JWST's power will be investigated in practically no time. We'll concentrate on its objective instruments and how it's growing our enormous understanding. This magnificent excursion is guided by visionary researcher Michio Kaku. Together, we'll unwind the universe's privileged insights utilizing infrared bars. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has left on an uncommon space mission, changing our comprehension of the universe. We should talk about the 3 surprising disclosures that have left researchers dumbfounded. At first, the telescope's perceptions have prompted a reassessment of the dull ages, a period following the huge explosion when the universe was an expanse of murkiness. JWST's sensitive instruments have distinguished unforeseen signs from this stage, demonstrating star development and intergalactic action greater than previously accepted. These disclosures have changed our comprehension of the universe's initial advancement, raising doubt about long-held convictions. Furthermore, JWST's abilities stretch out beyond showing antiquated universes. Its adequacy has permitted researchers to review extrasolar planets following the illumination of exoplanets as they pass their host stars. JWST has delivered captivating proof of their compositions, opening up new potential opportunities for surveying the potential for life. Thirdly, JWST's momentous infrared capacities permit us to examine the universe's beginnings. It uncovered a wealth of universes that formed a couple of 100 million years later the huge explosion, giving the opportunity to look at systems in their developmental stages. This revelation goes against our past speculations with respect to the grouping of early system arrangement. Have you at any point thought about the immeasurability of our universe? Believe the universe to be a huge theater where stunning stars sparkle, universes rotate, and secrets tide. This huge breadth is known as the noticeable universe, a domain outperforming human appreciation while complying with the regulations of nature. The discernible universe is like a vast window through which we can notice the universe in general. This is conceivable because instruments like telescopes empower us to dissect the universe. The grandiose speed limit is the speed of light, going at an astonishing 299,792,458 meters per second. A spotlight's bar will just uncover a little piece of the area it enlightens. Through the telescope, this part of the universe can be noticed. Yet, obscurity is far-reaching, and we can't see past our discernment. As indicated by specialists, the recognizable universe ranges around 93 billion light-years. It is like looking into a tremendous degree of reality, a spot where systems, stars, and heavenly wonders unfurl. If the universe is just 13.8 billion years old, how is it that it could stretch out to 93 billion light-years? It is a heavenly secret. The extension of the universe looks like raisin bread baking in a stove, with universes as raisins. As the batter grows, the raisins become further separated. Since the enormous detonation, this interaction has remained steady, with worlds floating further separated. A few worlds are so far off that the light they emanate hasn't even contacted us, tantamount to seeking after a train that had previously left. This breaking point, known as the molecule skyline, shows the finish of the universe that can be seen. As opposed to unwinding, the universe's scope is speeding up. Dull energy, a puzzling power, pushes worlds separated, expanding their force. A few worlds will eventually move past the perceptible universe's edge. What lies beyond this limit is obscure, a domain dropped from our view, like gazing into the dinky distance without seeing past. Scientists accept universe bunches have yet to be found. Utilizing information accumulated by JWST, researchers have found cosmic systems formed within 500 to 700 million years of the huge explosion, flagging the universe's starting. These cosmic systems represent a time of enormous history. The light from these cosmic systems, which took billions of years to contact us, fills in as a gap into the past, permitting us to see the universe's infancy.